Hi Saitsa students, and welcome to the How to File a Claim video tutorial. In this video, I will discuss the steps to successfully submit an electronic claim and go over the reimbursement processing times. Before starting this process, please ensure you have the following information at hand: the invoice you received from the service provider and the receipt or other proof of payment. It's important to note that all eligible claims must be filed within 6 months of receiving the service to be approved for reimbursement. The first step to accessing the electronic claim submission form is to register for an account on the Student Benefits portal. First, you'll need to open your web browser and type saitsa.com/benefits to access the registration page. When you've arrived to our main web page, you can click the Register button at the top of the page to forward you to the registration form. If you require assistance registering for an account, please watch our How to Register for an Account video tutorial on saitsa.com/benefits. If you've already registered, you may click the Login tab at the top of the menu to log in. Enter your account credentials and click Submit to log in. Now that you're in the Student Benefits portal, look to the left-hand side of the screen for a menu bar with an option called New Claim. Please select that option. When you've arrived to the claim submission form, you will notice 2 tabs on the top. The first tab includes your member information. Please ensure this information is accurate, as it will be used to determine eligibility for reimbursement when processing your claims. To add a claim, you'll select the second tab that states Add Claims. In this form, you'll start by selecting the name of the patient. This can be you or one of your family members that you've added to your plan. You'll then choose what the coverage type is. Your selection will be based on the service you received and are trying to claim. For instance, if you purchased medication, you'll select prescription drugs. For prescription drug claims, you'll be required to enter the drug identification number to validate if it's a drug covered by our plan. This number can be found on the official prescription receipt. Next, you'll enter the date you received the service or the date that is shown on your invoice or receipt. Now enter the amount you paid for the service, before taxes. This amount can be found on your subtotal section or your receipt or invoice. The box that states UCOB is meant for students who wish to coordinate their benefits with coverage they have apart from the Saitsa health and dental plan. Please check this box if you wish to file your claim with us and another plan provider. Lastly, you'll need to submit your proof of payment receipt. You can take a picture of the receipt and upload it, or submit a copy provided to you electronically from your service provider. Further, if you wish to submit a dental claim, you will need to request a filled-out standard dental claim form from your dentist to attach to your claim for reimbursement. If you have more claims that you'd like to file, you may select Add Another Claim to submit them as well. Now that you've completed all the required steps, you may click Submit to send your claim off for processing. Most claims are processed within 1 to 2 business days, and a reimbursement will be sent out. If you have provided your direct deposit details, you will receive your funds within 3 business days at the latest. Check reimbursements will take between 2 to 3 weeks to arrive at your address. Thank you for watching the How to File a Claim video tutorial. If you have more questions regarding claim submissions, you may contact the insurance administrator directly by dialing 1-888-404-6623 or emailing studentbenefits@pbas.ca.